In this video, I'm going to show you how we can quickly rename files using Python. Alright, so here in my photos folder, I have a list of photos. And I want to rename each photo by adding my initial in front of the photo name, of the file name. Alright, so here let me go into my Python script. I'm going to import the OS module first. Then I'm going to create a variable called source folder. And I'm going to grab the folder path where all the files are located. And I'll assign the folder path to the source folder variable. I'm going to array each item in the source folder path. So I'm going to insert a loop. I'm going to say for item in os.listdir. So this function will list all the files and folders, giving a folder path. And I only want to rename my image files. So I'm going to insert if condition. I'm going to check if os.path.isFile. So this function will check if an item is a file or not. And we need to provide the full file path. And I'm going to combine source folder path and the file name together, which is going to be item's value. And if this condition is met, here we insert notes. Check if an item is a file or not. And if this condition is met, then I know the item is a file. But I also only want to rename my image files. So I can insert another if condition. I can say if item xwidth.jpg. Then I want to rename the file. So this is going to be renaming a file. Right, so inside the this should be renamed. So inside the rename function, we are going to provide the source file path. And the second argument is going to be the new name that you want to assign to a file. And I'm going to insert my initial, JJ, concatenate with the file name. And just in case, if a file is open, then we know we cannot rename the file. So here I'm going to insert a try except block. And I can check against permission error. And if we run into a permission error, then we're going to skip the file and move on to the next. Otherwise, we can print the exception error. And it's going to be raise exception, and I'll print the error message. And that's it. Alright, so here if I run the Python script, and if I look at my photos, each file now has my initial in it. Alright, so this is going to be everything I'm going to share in this video, and hopefully you guys found this video useful. And as always, thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video.